Again, so have you noticed that I'm kind of really just trying to push you guys to do something different, because it is important that you do something different. A lot of you have great products, and I know you know it. And I know that sometimes you don't see the success that you do on Amazon because there's a lot of competition, right? And we get that, but a lot of you guys can have that massive success by just transitioning your business to what you're doing, right? When it comes to business, you have to be flexible. You have to be able to change things. If something isn't working and you're finding it hard to figure it out, it's okay to pivot to something else, right? And again, Amazon is a great platform that Shopify could be what you need. I know Annie Allen transitioned from Amazon to Shopify, and that's where she really started seeing the results. And again, I think her product lends itself more to Shopify and probably Etsy as opposed to Amazon. So that's something that you got to think about too. Is does your product even lend itself to Amazon or not? Would it be better going through Google Ads or Shopify or Facebook ads or things like that? Yes, so Adam, perfect. Adam, how do you find Shopify performing compared to Amazon? Shopify, for me, I think performs better if you are not a bestseller on Amazon. So for example, one of the things that I teach is going after the low-hanging fruit on Amazon because it's way easier. Low-hanging fruit essentially means getting your product on rank number 10 or 15 on page 1 and not going after top 3, right? So get 10 or 15 rank. It's way easier to do that. And with that, you could still do $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month. And then once you've done that, then transition to Shopify, right? So that's something that I do. And you don't even have to do that transition to Shopify. Actually, you can run both at the same time. If you have a product, so if you are trying to get onto Amazon and trying to go after the top 3 listings, so trying to be the best seller, that's going to cost a lot of money to do that, right? So you have to really be careful of that because a lot of people teach that. They'll say to you, go in the top 3, that's all you need to do. But to do that, the amount of money that you actually need, the amount of turnover that you need of inventory, the amount of sales that you need, it becomes very prohibitive for a lot of you guys, right? Including myself when I'm trying to test out certain products, and I don't want to go there straight away. I just want to hang around low-hanging fruit, and I can do that all day, all night. I'm not even bringing the attention to myself, to the competition. They don't even know I'm there. I'm taking a lot of their sales. They don't know that. And then I can rank for 4 or 5 different keywords, position 10 or 15, and that's how you start to build a multiple six-figure business on Amazon. Don't go for top 3, right? And that's, again, something that I'm teaching in 8-week brand startup. That's just way easier for me to actually do that. Shopify is a different beast because Shopify, you're not limited at all in terms of how much traffic you can actually get there. You know, people are just seeing your particular offer, your particular product, without them needing to, jump on Amazon or anything like that. They usually buy from your website. Some of them do price compare, of course. You're going to get a small percentage to do that. But most, what happens is they'll come to your website, they become a customer. You have that email now. You can send them an email. You can build that relationship with them, and they'll prefer to buy from you.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.